Hi guys, my name is Ivan and I'm rebuilding sailboat named Victoria. It's a model back in 37 feet, was built in Washington state in 1971. A few days ago I applied a couple of layers of fiberglass cloth and let's take out the peel ply and see what is behind, and I'm planning to prepare for vacuum infusion for the walls and lay down glass. I want to explain a little bit why I'm using peel ply, and this is pretty much straightforward. So let me show you one thing. Peel ply has primarily a few functions. First of all, I'm using polyester resin without wax, and as you know, the very top layer of the resin is never get cured, is always tacky. So peel ply goes a little bit underneath, and the resin on top it's not cured completely, and if I touch this kind of wet spot, it's still tacky, but underneath is great. The other thing is adding resin on the surface is never gonna be flat, so it will be ups and downs always. So peel ply eliminate these kind of high spots and removing a kind of bulky thing because it's exposed on top, and in the end you got really flat surface which is conforms by the underneath shape, and this kind of like surface actually has a special texture which is conforming that peel ply texture of the material, and it's ready for painting or applying a next layer of the glass. I might just need to just briefly sand it down, just remove those weeps from peel ply where they left over, and this is it. This is ready surface for next stages, which is really cool. So it saves time, no need too much sanding after, and resin is cured, so the sandpaper is not gumming after. Yeah, I'm really recommend this technique to anyone who wants to do it. Any resin, peel ply on top, good to go. I want to show you that what I'm talking about exactly. So if you probably pick it up, the cameras can see it, can show it. There is a high spot. This is like leftover after trolling this stuff, and also on the corners it's not really flat, it has a low and highs. On top of that I got a like something sticking out, so everything must be sanded down to the flat surface, but this surface is a little bit tacky, so I will spend a lot of sandpaper to put it down to flat surface. So yeah, I don't know, I couldn't find any solution to how to apply peel ply on a resin with Kaba seal. Yeah, maybe I should try it one day, I don't know. On the ball side, where we built is I lay down the foam, not completely to the ceiling, but I did offset about 1.5 inch. The only reason for this purpose is that I have a holes which are holding my plank tall rail, and this is very close to the edge, and if I put more thickness in this area, then I will not have luxury to put the bolts through and tighten the toe rail. So on the bow side I offset it a little bit down, and it looks like it works, so I will do the same, and it will be more consistent. I'm going to make a template from this place. I'm not sure the corners are square, so I think the paper will do the job. I have so many offcuts. I will probably glue them all together and like dispose of unusable pieces. I think it's gonna be enough. This plate is fits like a glove. I left over a little bit gaps from around because I'm gonna put some glass material all around, so I need some space, and I'm going to drill 1,000 holes maybe on this beautiful piece of core material because I wanna do vacuum infusion for one shot, and I need to have resin flow in and out from both sides of the foam core and cover the rest of the surface. I believe 1.5 inch cells will be enough, so I'm gonna draw the lines all around and drill the holes. I'm going to clean the surface with the dewaxer, and I will start gluing the fiberglass cloth to the surfaces. Well, it's time to glue glass on. With the beauty of addition of the video, I can jump over to the few days after and check it out what I got in my mail. These fancy electrical scissors, and I want to try it with different materials, so let's try it. It's actually nicely cut all the kind of materials I do here, and yeah, it's a self-sharpening tool. Let's see how long it's gonna kind of last. Maybe it's okay. On top of that, I received a roll of, it's not a roll, it's mostly folded roll of the film for greenhouses. It's a polyethylene, and I did research a little bit, and I didn't really found any details or information that polyethylene will react anyhow with polyester resin, which is supposed to be okay, and this film is much thicker than the two versions I used before. So I don't know, I'll give it a try. This full roll is just costs nothing, like 30-35 bucks. Big piece. It's gonna last forever, I guess. Or I can build a greenhouse after if this will not work for the vacuum infusion. Well, it took me some time. Well, it's kind of like complicated surface, and it's not really easy to make it really to shape from the first go. Anyway, I'll turn on the vacuum and see what is it doing now. Impossible. There is no vacuum at all. I don't know why. So I tried to find out the air leakage, vacuum leaking, and I did a little bit more pushing and pulling, stuff. I got a little bit vacuum, but unfortunately this film is not really stretchy, so it's not really usable. But from the other hand, I'm gonna use this piece for making baking layer, because as you remember, I got a film that is not compatible with the polyester resin, so I need some sort of isolation, and this is a perfect thing to use. So yeah, unfortunately it is what it is. Well, I spent a little more time, but I knew what to do with the what do you call it, wrinkles to pack all four corners. Sometimes it's some of them longer than the other, but it should be fine. So let's turn on vacuum and see. Well, again, this stupid hole somewhere, I can't get it. Like, it just make it double, but it doesn't really work. So yeah, I pressed the kind of bottom, all the vacuum's going down, but I don't know, probably I should open up and just rework this area to make a good nice vacuum, and do it next time. Well, I covered with one layer of fairing, and it didn't really work. I just apply another one, and I don't know. I want to wait until this is completely cured, and then send it down maybe, and start over again. Yeah, it's too late today, so we'll see you next day. Well, looks like it's a kind of success. So the film is pretty much attached to the surface, so I think I can start pouring resin. Well, as you can see, it's not really happening too much, and unfortunately it's kind of failed. Not completely failed, but I would consider this as failed. So the thing is, the resin start pulling on the bottom, and it's not really supposed to be like that, and I have a leaking air, like vacuum doesn't hold up, and the air is coming up from different holes. I don't know where, but apparently from top side, and compressor is still working. So I'm gonna hold it up like until the stuff get probably warmed up. I will turn on the heater maybe, and yeah, I think this is all for this part. So I have a peel ply attached, so I don't believe like it is a big problem. Like I can probably keep going next time and just start from where I finished off, and I'm pretty sure that the resin will flow inside if I do vacuum infusion again. I don't believe this is a big deal, but I think it's possible to keep going. Anyway, it is what it is, and yeah, not the best I could afford. Well, I don't have time to wait, so I enforce the heat into surface, and it's almost start gelling. I hope this will take another maybe half an hour, and will start kicking up, and I will wrap the process. Well, this is it for this episode. I have vacuum pump steam running. I will keep it for another maybe 15-20 minutes and go back home, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave comments down below. Thank you. Bye.